So for the first cook on the Kamado Joe, we've decided to do a pizza. So this means we're going to have a really hot heat for this one. So we're going to fill the firebox right up to the top and give it some time to come up. So we're going to use the heat deflectors and the pizza stone using a method that I've seen online, and hopefully we should get some good results. We're going to be using this charcoal today. This came with it. I've got high hopes for this stuff. It's supposed to be really good. And there we go. She's brand new. It's only going to look like this once. So I'm going to be using these firelighters. These are all natural wax ones. Apparently you use 3 for really high temperature cooks. So we'll put some of those in. Okay, so we've got our fire started. Apparently you leave this for like 5 minutes with the top open just to get things going. And then we're going to close the lid and we're going to open the top and the bottom vents fully to allow maximum airflow for a high temperature cook. So this is what we're going to be using to cook on today. This is the pizza stone. I've seen online that you can use some of these copper tees to put in between the stone and the heat deflectors. Just creates an air gap and stops this thing getting too hot. Got a nice Kamado Joe logo on it there. Don't know whether you can see that on the video or not. Right, let's take it to the grill and set it up. Alright, so it's starting to heat up well in there.